Hey gang, Jose with Home Boats and Travel, coming back to check out on the commissioning of a 445 Catalina, brand new. You can see there's things starting to change quite a bit, so we're gonna take a peek on the outside and the inside and see what's new. Let's check it out. So this gentleman you see over here, Steve Lippincott, and he does all of the custom stainless steel work, bimini, dodgers, lifts, our solar panel mounts, you name it, he makes it for all of the Massey boats. And you see he's working on the canvas. We got the dodger top side installed. We have the bimini partially installed, and he's working on the framing for the solar panels that are going to go on the boat. Let's kind of keep taking a look around. So some things that Massey does differently. They use 1.25" tubing or their frames. Primarily, they want to make sure there's plenty of support for any framing you want to do for your solar panel installation. This still has work to be done and getting all the carbon. This is kind of setting up the canvas. They'll do the polycarbon windows for this. This will also take a side panel. Over here, you can see that on this design, we have railings coming all the way to the boarding gate. This is something that Massey orders on all of their boats. So that's not something you're going to see on every 445. Some 445s will have wire use on the back. More progress being done. Sails are already installed. Sneak inside and take a look at the interior, see what's going on. All right, so we're in the inside of the Catalina 445. I'm going to show you what the boat looks like while they're trying to get all the commissioning done. They're still running a few more miles of cabling that has to get put in to get all the equipment set up. You know, this is the things that you don't see, the behind the scenes. So check it out. All right, so I'm looking at the aft starboard side cabin, and you can see that there's paneling open. There are bundles of wire out on the back corner that they're running to get equipment connected. We have a few more bundles of wire up here to finish connecting all the electronics. You know, there's things going in the lockers, and you're seeing the kind of the raw work that goes into it. All of this will get cleaned up and hidden away. You never know it actually happened. So when you get to a boat show and you see the boat and it's all nice and neat, this is kind of part of the process you have to go through to get there. Okay, as we go back, there's the salon and the galley. Still work going on. Ted here, they're starting to open the boxes for the Starlink that just came in. You know, lots of toys that get to get connected. Over here, they're starting to get some of the remote setup for the radio, the single sideband. You know, it's all like a big puzzle. They got to figure out how to get everything wired up and connected. The owner dropped off his coffee maker. Back here, not much going on because most of the work's been done on the starboard side. But the guys have ordered their tools around while they're getting all the systems set up. We're moving forward. The davits here, these are cater davits. They're still not installed. They got to finish getting the canvas and framing work done upstairs before they can get this in. You know, fans have been installed, and this head is pretty much completed. Nothing much left to be done in here. That's it for this quickie walkthrough of the inside of the Catalina 445 as it's getting commissioned and getting ready. There's still a lot more work to go on this boat before they can hand it over to the owner. We'll see you in the next video to show you what's coming up next. If you like our channel, please subscribe. Click on the link below and subscribe to our channel. You'll see the full-length series on the commission of this Catalina 445. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.